Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Stephanie and yeah, today is the last day of the year and I thought it's a good moment to start a new YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to share my Bitcoin analysis with you and yeah, my personal view on the market. So for you, this is not a financial advice, it's simply how I look at Bitcoin and how I structure my investments. So I would say let's jump right into the charts. So here we go. And before we dive in, one more thing. I don't base my analysis on pure technical indicators. For me, the most important areas are price zones where real investments have taken place. And these are my areas. These areas where actual money enters the market, and those zones tend to matter the most of the time. So I have these levels for a long time now, and to prove you that these zones aren't new for me, I will show you a chart from the 7th of November. So you can see that it's something I have for a long time on my chart. So this chart is from the 7th of November. And you can see I have exactly the same levels. I will speak about them in a few, but here you can see it. All the zones are the same. So it's nothing that I changed. They are there for a long time now. So let's go. Okay, the current market situation. Let's talk about that. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at a big support area. This is here the green zone. And it has been holding the zone since November 21st. And this is a quite long time now. And as long as this area holds, I see Bitcoin as long to the next big resistance zone above. And this is that zone, that red zone that you can see here. So when price first moved into this zone, into this support zone, we saw very high volume. And for me, that could be very well be stopping volume and showing strong interest from buyers. So this area is definitely a very good buying zone. And I want to be transparent here. I personally added to my investments in this area as well. So if you want to buy, it's always a good zone to buy in here in this green zone. The price levels you can see here on the red, on the right side, and the resistance zone above. So, and what can happen next? That is the big question, right? So what if support breaks? That is definitely a scenario that can take place. And of course, we have to consider this alternative scenario as well. So if this current support breaks, the next buying area I'm watching is this area. It's 77,000 to 75,000. And in that case, the current support, this one would turn into resistance. So what is currently marked as a green zone would be then become to a red zone like the zone above. That would not clearly change the overall structure for me because we can buy here as well. So, and we have to clear the question, when does Bitcoin turn bullish again? I can just speak for me, and for me, Bitcoin turns more back on the long side once the upper resistance zone at 95,000 will break. And yeah, this zone has to be break and accepted, but never forget we have more resistance to break for a sustainable long. So we have also this resistance to break and also the resistance above there. Yeah, in general, I think Bitcoin is very well suited for investments. That's what I do for a long time. It's for both for long term and for shorter term. A very simple and effective approach is buying at support like here, like I did as well, and selling into the next resistance. So that's always a very good way for short-term investments. And yeah, it's definitely a good way to do that. So it's not about chasing the price, it's about positioning at meaningful levels. And that's what I want to show you here, guys. So not forget, at the end, not forget this analysis is not meant for intraday trading. So if you're searching intraday trading analysis, this video is not for you. It's purely an investment-based perspective, and as I use it for a long time now. Yeah, this is exactly how I've been approaching Bitcoin for several years now, and it has worked very, very well for me. Yeah, so yeah, that's my Bitcoin analysis, my personal outlook, and yeah, it's definitely worked very, very well for the last years, and I hope that it will work for the next couple of years as well. But I guess it's a very good analysis. So, yeah, and now I have to say, because it's the last day of the year, I don't know whether you watched the video today or in the next days or maybe in the next month. So you can see if this analysis has worked out or not. But I'm very happy that you watched it until now, and I wish you a happy, happy new year. And if you liked my video, just click the subscription button and turn on notifications so you will never miss a video again of me. And yeah, thank you so, so much. And we'll see us in the next video. Bye bye.